Hello everyone, this is 𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗃, your real estate broker. I'm very excited to introduce you my new listing at 5206 Forest Hill Drive in the great neighborhood of Erin Mills at the intersection of Mississauga Road and Erin Centre Boulevard. This luxury detached house has a 4,300 square feet above the ground living space plus huge finished basement. It has a 4 bedrooms, 3 full washrooms on the second floor. So no dispute who is getting the bigger room. Centrally located close to the downtown Mississauga, Erin Mills town center, park, highways, and close to the most popular school, John Fraser and St. Gonzaga. Long driveway with 6-car parking at the premium 76 feet wide lot. You know what they said? First impression is everything, and that is my favorite part. Huge open fire with double height ceiling is one of the best features of this luxury house. If you like cooking and a party, this huge gourmet kitchen belongs to you. I hope you like the virtual tour of this luxury home. If you want to do the personal tour, call 𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗃 today. Thanks for watching.